from, where's this new guy from, man? Oklahoma.
Oklahoma? What good comes out of Oklahoma?
Well, I was saying Chris Morrison, he's from Slaughterville, Oklahoma. Here's the issue. Chris Morrison, he is fighting our champion, Chris Lyons.
Ooh.
So Chris Lyons obviously knows a grappler. This guy is a grappler. We're about to see.
I saw Chris Morrison in the back, and I wished him luck because I'm not sure he knows what he's getting into stepping in the ring.
You may wish him luck, but
Chris Lyons.
I can tell you right now, you're about to see a fight. You're not going to see a wrestling match. This will be a fight. Don't let the weight difference change or make you think anything different.
Lyons is a bad man. I heard that Chris Lyons was nothing to mess with. But I am like Chris Martin if he's going to attack Abel Morales. I like that.
He reminds me of a young Tank Abbott.
He reminds me of a young Gardner. That beard and those tights.
You gotta stand up for this?
Yeah, I gotta get hype from my man.
It's cheering and holding.
It will. It will. I'm going for it.
Don't scream it. Here he is, our champion, Chris Lyons. From the concrete.
Look at this. The cheers run rampant in Alvin, Texas for our man, Chris Lyons. Some people say Chris Lyons is forever. Chris Lyons is nothing to mess with. He is the WOODCHIPPER. He is the champions. He is the concrete dragon. Chris Lyons. I think I'm in battle with Abel Morales now. That's all that's happening. He'll fight his opponent. He'll fight Hambone. He'll fight the ring. He doesn't care.
I'm not sure Chris Morrison's ready.
I don't know. We'll see what Chris Morrison has against our cruiserweight champion, Chris Lyons.
And from what I did hear is Chris Morrison is an advocate for the Armada. He is for it. But I don't think he's ready for it.
We're about to find out.
Heavyweights are better.
Two different leagues. We need them both. I'll be honest. We do need both heavyweight and cruiserweight. Maybe not together, but we're about to see. Again, you're about to see a fight.
Let's talk about all the advantages Chris Lyons has right now. Height,
Legs,
arm length,
leg reach, speed.
fan of the Wu-Tang Clan.
He ain't nothing to mess with.
He might be a killer bee.
What's up, guys?
Oh, you're back.
Yes, I'm back.
What's your enthusiasm for Abel Morales joining the commentary team?
Did you hear about the big news?
What big news?
February 19th. We're not gonna say it yet. We're not doing it yet.
It may involve
There's
a
no
certain
big news.
commentator and a
It's
certain talk radio champion.
I just want to point this out. I'm not sure if it was already made clear. This match is not for the UPW Cruiserweight Championship. This is basically an exhibition match of sorts.
That would have been great news earlier. So,
Oh, did you say the opposite? Hey, you should have paid attention to how I announced it.
We did not.
I said it was just a match.
Let's be honest. We haven't seen too many men hold Chris Lyons in this kind of hold here in Undisputed Pro Wrestling. There's very few
Chris Lyons
times
is never on the
Chris
mat by
Lyons is
himself.
down like that. Roll up. I like it.
Roll up with the one.
Hambone was there, though. No time.
Chris Lyons is looking across at Chris Morrison thinking, maybe I did make a mistake.
Once upon a time ago,
All right.
UPW had a offshoot promotion, I guess I could say.
Is
Of
it story time?
Kami-sama is what it was called. Kami-sama, we actually saw Christopher Morrison there, and he actually put on a heck of a match there at the Kami-sama. It was kind of a tournament-style night, and he did really, really, really well. Hopefully hopefully here tonight in an actual UPW sanctioned match, maybe if he can best Chris Lyons, he might get a cruiserweight title shot someday.
I don't think he wants a cruiserweight title shot.
No, you know, he did say it when I was out there trying to grab the title that he's a heavyweight fighter. Heavyweight grappling is what he referred to himself as.
Quick little kick by Chris Lyons, just kind of a enticing kick.
Enticing? Is that a word?
It is.
Antagonizing? Is that what you're looking for?
No.
Enticing.
It's right here.
It's like any tizer.
See it? It's right there.
Okay.
It's grown men time, boy.
Oh, boy. And if anybody grown is Chris Lyons, but oh, man, he's down on the mat right now.
Yeah, well, we haven't seen Chris Lyons in this predicament very often here in Undisputed Pro Wrestling. What will the wood chipper do?
Well, that's a rope break right there.
Playing smarts.
He's barking at the man.
Oh, letting the fans know that's what may come for Chris Lyons. But Chris Lyons
Ain't nothing to mess with.
responds.
He ain't
with
nothing
slaps
to
on
mess
the mat.
with.
What would you call that? A slap to the buttocks.
That's what I would call it.
Chris answers with a quick,
That was a big kick.
quick kick to the buttocks.
Chris Lyons is on the mat, but he is trying to work a hold.
He was literally fighting from underneath, and it looked like he had the advantage.
Oh, look at that. What referred to that? Abel Rouse. Almost there with the crossface chicken wing, huh?
Yes. Your guess is as good as mine. They're just transitioning to so many holds back and forth. I just can't keep up.
We don't get paid to say holds.
Oh, is that what it is?
What, do we get paid?
No.
Oh,
See, this is what I love about the fans.
oh!
David Trevino in the house, dropping popcorn off, repping. We're trying to get Stone Only in a match on February 19th. Make it happen.
His manager, David Trevino.
Yeah.
Oh!
He said, "You got a slap? Guess what? I got a slap."
Oh! My goodness!
In the entire now in Texas, people are wondering what kind of gang shooting is going on right now with these chops to the chest. Radio.
I see what you did there.
Thank you.
I see what you did there. Uppercut.
European uppercut.
Oh, there you go. That's a reversal there.
From European uppercuts to a kaiju chop.
Oh, and now we're getting down here to maybe a little bit of a Houston wrestling radio.
But here's the thing.
See what I did there?
I did.
Yeah,
Right.
okay.
This is Chris Lyons. This is Chris Lyons. This is where he likes to be. He doesn't want to be up. He doesn't want to be on his feet. He wants to be on the mat.
He's a mat grappler.
I've got a feeling that he's going to turn it pretty soon.
Yeah.
Chris Lyons does not fare well on the mat being with somebody.
Turn it pretty soon. He's been turning it all match. This match has been back and forth, even on the mat.
Mr. Morrison really paying attention to what he's doing, attacking the left leg of Chris Lyons from all kinds of holds to swift kicks to the hamstrings. Man, it's hard to do what Chris Lyons does without legs, without being able to stand, without being able to walk, without being able to find that strength from his legs that he put so much emphasis in on all his holds. So Chris Morrison is actually playing a smart game here in Undisputed Pro Wrestling. Let's see how the wood chipper responds.
Thank you, Miss Macaluso.
You know, he's just... Oh! Morrison's just going to all different body parts on this. You know, he was working the leg, he's working the back, the back of the neck. Now he's trying to get another pin out of him. I don't think he was trying to pin him to win there. I think he was pinning him just so that Chris Lyons would exert energy. I think you call that a tactical pin.
I agree, Abel.
Thank you. Oh, look at that kick right to the ear of Morrison. Morrison's
Call the
dazed.
answer, Abel Morales.
Yes,
That's
sir.
what you call the answer.
That
You
is.
can't hold my man down.
Chris Lyons trying to get to his feet. Let's see if the wood chipper is going to go to work.
Green Dragon making his way to his feet, but answered with the shot to the bread basket. The basket of bread. The place that holds your bread.
Oh, no.
I agree, Abel.
Knee on knee. I didn't say anything.
Look at these men.
Oh. Things are getting right here. Things are getting personal.
Chris Lyons' heart is just pounding with joy. This is the kind of wrestling that he loves. Shout out to Bart Harris for booking this match, finding an answer to all of what Chris Lyons wants in a wrestling.
I told you Christopher Morrison was a pretty good guy to have wrestle here tonight. He was really impressive.
He's turning me into a believer. He's turning me into a believer.
And he's impressive tonight. All the way from Slaughterville, Oklahoma.
He's from Slaughterville?
Yep.
Sergeant Slaughterville?
I mean, maybe.
Big forearm rocked Chris Lyons.
I was about
flat on his back, staring up at the ceiling.
I was about to say I didn't know who got the worst of it at the time of collision, but the aftermath, you could tell Chris Lyons got worse.
I have never seen anyone mishandle Mr. Lyons in such a manner.
I'm nervous.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm nervous for our UPW Cruiserweight champion, the beloved Chris Lyons
But
here.
you got to think, this is cruiserweight versus heavyweight. All right.
It
Possibly,
does
yes.
not matter with the skills that are in this ring.
Chris Lyons trying to get the crowd behind him. He was trying to stomp his foot there, get a rhythm going. It looks like he's just trying to get up,
He's
hit the
stomping
feet.
at this point.
Yes, sir.
Never seen anybody get punched in the foot before.
Side Russian leg sweep.
Oh!
Chris Lyons rolls through. Stop to the chest.
Radio. Chris Lyons' knees hurt. He buckled when he did that song.
Yeah, good point.
You got to start to wonder, did all the kicks, did all the knee bends, did that hurt him?
I don't even know how Chris Lyons is still standing. Oh!
And look, that left knee of Lyons was already taped up. I wonder if Chris Morrison saw that backstage.
I think this is where both these men live, in this very world of strong style. We're seeing it. Almost.
Lyons didn't have the leverage.
He's going for the armbar. He's going for the armbar.
Lyons better be careful here. He could have his arm snapped in two.
Oh! High knee strike to the skull of the chest. He's all over the place. Leaves his feet, bringing Chris Morrison down to the ground. Lyons is feeling it right now, baby!
Chevy, those knees were insane. All three of them in consecutive order, different parts of the body.
I'm pretty sure I was going to see Chris Morrison's beard fly to the second row. Oh! Two!
He's going to get some distance on him. Running. Drop kick.
Double stop to the chest.
Stop. Drop kick. Whatever.
Sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off, Abe Morales.
You're fine. You're fine.
I'm excited.
Yes.
I'm excited, Abe Morales. I think somebody's
Here it is.
Ring!
Somebody is making a phone call. Chris Lyons is really taking Morrison serious here.
Chris Morrison is not stopping.
Usually,
Chris Morrison almost calling for it. See what Lyons made of. I don't know if he's regretting that decision right now as he stands to his feet.
Lyons can't get Morrison up. But Morrison can't get Lyons up.
Suplex!
Oh my goodness.
Almost! Slower suplex. That's a lot of man to be picking up. Chris Lyons just showing the crowd he's not scared to step out of his division, to step out of his comfort zone, and to step into glory. Calling to end this match. We're going to see what happens.
Does he have it here? Saito suplex. No, blocked. Reversed. Back to that calf hold that we've seen a couple of times here in this match. Morrison might have Lyons' number, guys. He might.
He did just pick up the phone. Ring.
He did call him a second ago.
Oh!
Are you trying to tell me Chris Morrison had caller ID?
Maybe.
That was
Maybe.
It was an unorthodox move. That was a knee to the stomach with a clothesline.
Yeah.
Chris Lyons surprising us every time we see this man in the middle of the squared circle. For the Armada!
I think all three of our microphones picked that up.
Huh? I didn't think of that.
I thought the crowd was going to be behind me on that, but nobody did. Nobody did.
Chris Lyons with the side slam.
Because of Chris Lyons, I
With the
drive a
choke
Nissan
on.
Armada.
All right. Referee Hemmel's there.
Oh, that's it!
Oh!
Submission!
With the submission for Chris Lyons, the real Christopher.
Chris Morrison thought he was going to be sneaky with that beard.
I'll be honest, very, very surprised.
Yeah.
Amazing match. And we said that this was going to be a fight. This wasn't a match.
One might I even say, match of the night.
Yeah, it's all right. No, definitely match of the night.
Hey, look at this cutie walking by.
Look at that cutie.
Look at that cutie. Can I do that? Yeah, listen.
Hambone raising, about to raise a hand. Chris Morrison giving a round of applause where it's due, right there. Chris Lyons, Chris Morrison.
Let's see
Hell
what
of a
happens
match.
here in this. Are we getting the respect of
We're about to get
warriors?
respect.
Great match. This is what strong style looks like. I could watch this again. Uh-oh. Respect in the middle of undisputed pro wrestling. This is what we like to see here at UPW in Alvin, Texas. Anger management. More to come, people.
Bart Harris did a good one on this one. Good call, Bart.